Oh my god. My Prado is stuck. Oh my god, whatever. So that is Ronald, that is Muhammad, and today it's rainy day. And yeah, I put it in four-wheel drives, but let's see. Oh, nice, nice. Look at the dirt. So good. Yeah. Cheers. Bye.